the 2020 Toyota Sequoia. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, a headlight cleaning system, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and a blind spot monitoring system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 15 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.